If you are experiencing dry, brittle hair, you need to do a lot of things to your hair to ensure that it is restoring the moisture and also maintaining the length. And one of the things that you need to do is oiling your hair frequently. So in this video, I'm showing you one of the ways that I do use oil on my hair to make sure that it is moisturized, retain its length, and stays healthy. So right here is aloe vera oil that I made in my previous video, and I'm applying to my freshly washed hair. It's clean washed hair, still with a little some water, but I kept it to dry so that to remove a lot of water, to remain with just a little bit water in it. So it's freshly washed hair. I used aloe vera and pure sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is good for hair just like the olive oil. It's containing monounsaturated fats just the same as olive oil, so it's best for the hair just the same as olive oil and other oils. So that's how I made this oil, and I'll be leaving the link in the description below so that if you missed out, you can see how I made the oil just in a simple way, and it is super nice for the hair. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, remember to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you don't miss out my simple hair recipes that I make at home. The simple things that will help you save your money and have a healthy growing hair. So I'm just oil washing my hair with this aloe vera oil. The reason why I'm using this method is because I used aloe vera, fresh aloe vera, and part of this oil is containing water from the aloe vera, and I didn't want to waste that aloe vera, so I just poured it all in my hair to make sure that my hair is fully saturated with that oil. And then I massage my hair thoroughly. Then I'm going to keep it into sections. After putting my hair into sections, I go ahead and wrap my hair with a plastic bag, and then I also add a shower cap just for extra heat. Then I wrap around my edges with a scarf to ensure that no oil is dripping down. And sometimes I go ahead and add extra towel, soft towel on my hair for more extra heat. If you have a dryer, you can stay in the dryer for 15 minutes, but since I don't have a dryer, I shall keep my hair for almost 3 hours because I just give my hair time. You can see the plastic bag is containing steam. It's like I was in a steam, but just because of the towel that I had put on top of my hair. So now after 3 hours, I do use 3 to 4 hours because I shall give my hair time. I give it a day just to deal with my hair. So my hair feels so soft. But because also this week I was just at home, I did just rinse out my hair with the water. I didn't shampoo after. If you know the schedule that you have in, after this you need to shampoo your hair to make sure that you remove excess oil. But since I'm just at home, I just did rinse my hair with the water, and there was little oil remaining in it, not too much. Then I go ahead and apply on top a little castor oil. I usually like castor oil. It helps to lock in that moisture and lock that also my hair won't look that oily after applying the castor on top of it. So I just apply the castor oil, massage, and then I go ahead and style my hair again. Just keep my hair into a simple protective style like that, depending on the time that I have. But since I am at home, I just keep it like that for about 3 days, and then I go ahead again, wash my hair now with the shampoo and condition again with another natural ingredient. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss out the simple things that I'll be sharing for super hair. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Jerusalem.